Are you ready to secure your Nintendo Switch account? With the rise in online threats enabling two-factor authentication, 2FA is more crucial than ever. In just few minutes, you can add an extra layer of protection to your gaming experience. Let's dive into how to do this. Log into your Nintendo account. Start by visiting the Nintendo account's webpage on your smartphone or PC. Enter your usual credentials to log in. While you can use a Switch browser, a PC or a phone is much quicker. Access security settings. Once logged in, navigate to sign in and security settings. Scroll down until you find the two-step verification settings. Edit verification settings. Click on the edit button next to two-step verification. This will take you to the step process or setup process. Set up two-step verification. Click on the two-step verification setup button. Confirm the email address displayed is correct. Then click submit. Verify your email. Check your email for a verification code sent by Nintendo. Enter this code on the website and click submit. Choose an authenticator app. For added security, download an authenticator app like Google Authenticator or Bitwarden if you have not already. Open the app and scan the QR code displayed on your Nintendo account page. Enter the code. The app will generate a 6-digit code. Input this code back to the Nintendo website and click submit. Backup codes. After setting up, make sure to save your backup codes provided by Nintendo. These are essential for accessing your account if you lose access to your authentication app. Congratulations, you have successfully enabled two-factor authentication on your Nintendo Switch account, significantly enhancing its security. This simple process not only protects your personal information but also ensures that your gaming experience remains uninterrupted by unauthorized access. Stay safe while gaming, and remember, taking these small steps can make a big difference. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tips.